Good morning, namaste, hi everyone. I thought I would share with you the new heart series. I love these because you can put a number of them together on your wall and they all look fabulous together. So this is the brand new heart series. As you can see, you can catch the metallic, the way it picks up colors in the light. This is the red. I'm not usually for muted colors, but I love the colors in this. This is like the greens, the army greens. I have another one that's got Kelly greens. But these are more in towards the olive colors. They look so much more dynamic in person than they do when I'm just showing you the slideshow, which is before they're printed. There you have it. Ones with pinks and reds. And it's got some of the bronzes in it as well. Here's the purples and blues. It's just yummy. Here is the blue. So again, if you happen to like hearts, any of these can be put together on a wall. There's the one with the mixed colors. Let me show you here. Here's the one with the Kelly green. The mixed and the Kelly green. If you have 3 of these, 4 of these, 6 of these up, they all go together. They don't fight with one another, and they just make a really nice kind of a collage artwork on your wall. So fun colors. If you have a house and your colors are primarily beiges and whites, you're very neutral, it's always fun to have some type of art like this to brighten up your space. Here one is with the blues and greens and some bronzes in there. Okay. This one is fun. Here we have Ganesh. Says peace and love is the answer. And Om. And we have Freddie is hiding up in here as well. So this one is just kind of fun. It's a little more hippie-ish and just a fun piece. Here we have the cattails. Cattails are really fun. This is the male. That's the little male cattail, and we have a female. And you'll see that they go well together. We hold them on this side. It's a little male, and here we have the female. So they go quite well together. You'll see that one is mirrored one way and the other's mirrored the other way, so they would look very nice together. If you happen to be a cat person, we have the two cattails, cattails of love. And last but not least, this is very simple, but it's fun. It's the Waterfall. Very nice, bright blue color, very peaceful. It's very simple, but quite a nice, effective artwork. All of these are 10 by 14s. They're $100 each. I try to keep the price very low. If I have them in the gallery, they would probably be up 200 something, just because you have to pay the gallery costs. They up everything. And so anyway, these I put a frame on the back. I don't have the frame on the back now because I'm transporting them around and showing them to people. It's a little difficult to transport them with the frames on, so I leave them off for now. And that's something else I was going to say, but now it's gone somewhere. So we'll just leave it at this. I hope you've enjoyed the heart presentation and my little kitty cat tales of love. The next ones coming out are the ukulele. I have some really nice ukuleles, love songs. The ukuleles are made out of all little hearts put together to make a little ukulele. So those are being printed now. I also have one that is the tunnel, okay, Tunnel Home it's called, which is a great piece for meditation. You'll see the piece just really draws you inwards. So I have some things that are now being printed, and I will have those probably by maybe next week sometime. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed these, and I hope you, oh, I was going to say also, these are all 10 by 14s, which are 100 each. 12 by 12s are 100 each. If you want, you can order them in larger sizes. The artwork, my wholesale price that I'm giving now is $100 a square foot. So you can go ahead and figure out the cost of it easily. To figure out square footage, in case you don't know, you multiply the length by the width of inches, divide it by 144, and there you will have the square footage. Okay, so you can easily tell whatever the square footage is, that's going to be the price of it. So it's 100 per square foot, so it's really easy to figure out. So you just, if you wanted to order something, again, these are 10 by 14s. You could go 11 by 15, 12 by 16. Just keep keep them proportionate, and you can order the larger sizes. And if you order something, it usually takes a week in production, and then it will be shipped out to you depending on your shipping cost. We don't pad anything to it. We just charge you the regular shipping, what it is, and a little bit extra for material boxes and styrofoam and all the stuff we need to pack it in to get it there safely. Okay, so anyway, thank you all for visiting. And again, oh, I didn't tell you again, these are made out of, these are printed on the finest, very, very best quality paper. I have somebody that's a special printer, and the back, it's on acrylic, 1/16 acrylic. The back, once you peel this off, this is a protective coating. The back is aluminum. You can see the shine of it there, aluminum. And then the frame that we put on the back, you'll see a little frame that goes on the back. On the smaller pieces, sometimes it'll be just 2 bars, which are also aluminum. So, anyway, so I think that covers everything that I wanted to talk about with the acrylic mounting. I hope you've enjoyed it. Namaste, everyone. Have a great day. Nice to see you all. Bye. Namaste.